the Unit 7, the title Anti-Distracted Driving Act. And now, we shall proceed the opening prayer to Justin Hill Castillo.
Let's pray. Maraming sa Panginoon ng Diyos, berkat na sa pagkakas ng Diyos sa amin. Dahil sa mga ito,
And now, the first reader is Farhana Torontos.
Officially known as the Anti-Distracted Driving Act, RA 10913, signed into law on July 21, 2016, seeks to prohibit the use of mobile phones and other electrical devices while driving or when stopped in traffic, enhance road safety, image suggestion, illustration of no mobile phone while driving. Icon white background with circle slash. So, kanina slide is kasagutan is dili ta dapat kung gamit og cellphone or iPad sa unsa nga makadistract sa imo or even nga maglantaw-lantaw ka sa palibot nimo. Dapat once nga nag-drive ka is mag-focus ra gyud ka sa imo road nga imong giatuan kay para always ka aware sa tanan nga mahitabo. So this is the second slide. Distracted driving is a major cause of road accidents. This law aims to reduce collisions, injuries, and fatalities by removing driver distractions, promotes responsible driving and safer roads. Image suggestion, photo illustration of distracted driver. Using phone versus attentive driver side by side.
Thank you for the first reader. And now, please proceed the second reader, Henry Jimenez.
Deprivation. The deprivations prohibited acts banning use of mobile phones or electronic device while driving, such as texting, calling, or browsing, is prohibited. Watching videos, movies, or social media while operating a vehicle. Applies when vehicle is in motion or temporarily stopped. Email suggestion, illustrations to driver, holding a phone while waiting for being signed. So in driving, keep in mind that mas importante ang safety kaysa another things that pwede mo gawin kung ikaw na mo sa imong tuwan. So using mobile phones is prohibited. Means I suggest to meet up kung drive ka, especially kung nasa national highway, ay mas close sa disgrasya. Exceptions heading, provisions, exceptions bagging, hands-free devices, Bluetooth, earphones, videos provided. Don't obstruct vision. Emergency, police, hospitals, fire department are exempt. Email suggestions, icons and hands-free Bluetooth with insert plus score plus treatment. That's all my article.